Hello Silicon Valley, I'm Eddie Oberoi, your real estate broker here in the Bay Area. You know what they say, if you want to be an artist, you have to be in New York City. If you want to be an actor, you have to be in Los Angeles. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to open that next Facebook, next Google, you have to be right here in the Silicon Valley. I'm proud to present another listing we have here in Milpitas, California. Milpitas is known for a central location. You're close to 680, 880, 237, 101. Ideal location if you work for any of those big Silicon Valley companies like Apple, Facebook, eBay, or LinkedIn. Let's come on in, take a tour. Thank you so much for taking the tour. As you saw, it's a beautiful property, single story, nicely updated. You're close to all the restaurants, shopping, schools. I can't go wrong with this one. We're having mega open house this weekend. We're gonna have live jazz music, food and drinks, and I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, reach out to me anytime.